These days, we are all glued to our phones scrolling Instagram, chatting on WhatsApp, sending money through UPI. But while we are busy doing all that, hackers are busy too. Every morning, there's news of someone's account hacked, money stolen, or phone acting strange. And it's not just big companies, it's everyday people like you and me. 44% rise in cyberattacks, 2022 to 2024, 58% jump in Infostealer malware, 175% spike in banking phishing scams. The scary part? It's starting to feel normal. So in today's video, let's break down how these scams actually work, how hackers hack your phone or laptop, and what you can do to stay safe. Okay, picture this, you are relaxing, scrolling WhatsApp, and suddenly a message pops up, 5,000 rupees debited from your account. Click here to check balance. You panic, tap the link, and a website opens that looks exactly like your bank's. You enter your username and password, and boom, you just gave your details straight to a hacker. Within minutes, your real account is drained. This is phishing. Fake message, fake website, real damage. Now imagine another case, you get a WhatsApp message that looks official. The sender even has your bank's logo as their profile picture. It says, update your credit card info. Download the file below. You trust it, download the file, and install it. But the app disappears. No icon, no warning. Behind the scenes, the malware is active, reading your chats, stealing your banking logins, scanning your gallery. And the worst part? It sends the same file to your contacts using your WhatsApp, so you unknowingly spread the scam. So how do you stay safe? Follow these simple steps. Don't panic, don't click suspicious links. Check the sender's number or profile carefully. Never install unknown.apk files. Always use the official bank app or website. Clear browser cache and cookies if you open a suspicious site. Scan your phone regularly with Makavach 2 app, Government of India tool. Change your passwords immediately if exposed. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Report scams at cybercrime.gov.in. Hackers are getting smarter, but so can you. Don't trust every message, don't click every link, and don't wait until it's too late. And here's one bonus tip that very few people know, scan your phone with the Makavach 2 app from the Government of India. It's free on the Play Store. Just download Makavach 2, run a quick scan, and it will show you all hidden or suspicious apps, flag misconfigured apps that could put you at risk, let you uninstall them one by one, and most importantly, don't just uninstall. Delete them completely from your device so they can't come back. Stay safe and share this video with someone who needs to see it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more tech explainers in Hindi plus English.